बाजा आया गीतों का खजाना लाया बैंड बाजा बैंड बाजा बैंड बाजा बाजा बैंड बाजा आया गीतों का खजाना लाया बैंड बाजा बैंड बाजा बैंड बाजा.
Welcome to Band Baja. Today's show is being presented by Zay and
Sam, and Moin will be joining us soon. I hope so. He's stuck in the traffic.
Yeah, that's the Toronto life.
Yeah. So as
always in traffic.
As usual, like Moin starts the program in the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. We begin this program by seeking the blessings and guidance of God. All praise is due to God, whose mercy and blessing guide us in every step of our lives.
Beautiful.
May God fill our hearts with peace and allow our words and action to bring goodness to all.
Love it.
So,
and Band Baja is an Art Without Borders radio show
where music tells story.
Yes.
And we are live on Chin FM 100.7. The number here is 416-870-1007. 416-870-1007. We are missing Moin though.
Yeah, not the same without him. But,
but we are trying.
But I also have some great songs.
Yes.
So today's show is going to be a little bit about Ranbir Kapoor.
Oh, wow.
So we're going to have a Ranbir Kapoor moment.
Yes.
On the show. As we know, Ranbir Kapoor is one of the most versatile actors.
I love him.
In his generation
really
in Bollywood.
Yeah.
He's known for both his charm and his emotional depth in his roles.
Wow.
So he brings, intense heartbreak and also effortless romance. His films have given us some unforgettable music. So we're going to be playing some of those beautiful songs today on our show.
Yes, unless Moin comes in and then he plays his song.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, we'll enjoy with you, Zay.
Sure, yeah, sounds good. Anything else, Sam, you want to talk about before I move to the first song?
I think you should move to the first song right now.
So the first song I just want to talk about a little bit.
Yes.
It's called Channa Maria. It's one of the most iconic, actually, heartbreak songs in modern Bollywood.
Very emotional. Huh?
Yes, it's featuring Ranbir Kapoor, of course, and he's known for portraying emotional depth on screen, as seen in this movie. So it's a perfect example of all of his talents coming together in one song. It's a wedding sequence where the song appears, and it becomes one of the most memorable scenes of Ranbir's career.
Oh, wow.
So with that, we'll turn it to the first song.
अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना मेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे स्वाद रखना अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना मेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे स्वाद रखना दिल के संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे काम रखना चिट्ठी तारों में भी मेरा तू सलाम रखना अंधेरा तेरा मैंने ले लिया मेरा उजला सितारा तेरे नाम किया चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ बेलिया ओ पिया चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ बेलिया ओ पिया
You're listening live to Band Baja Radio on Chin FM 100.7 with Zay and
Sam. You're listening to Band Baja Radio with Zay and Sam. Zay, we want to talk about something about this song?
Yeah, I just wanted to talk a little more about Ranbir. He's widely regarded as one of the most talented and versatile actors in modern Bollywood.
Oh, wow.
He was born to the legendary Kapoor family.
Oh, yes.
So he definitely grew up surrounded by the world of cinema, but he's carved out his own identity, as we can see, rather than solely relying on his lineage.
Yes.
He's definitely made a mark of his own on the industry. And
That's
over the
true.
years, he's become very known for his ability to bring depth and authenticity to every role. So whether it's intense, whether it's emotionally charged performance, whether it's a lighthearted romance or a quirky comedic character, he kind of can play it all.
I always liked Ranbir Kapoor.
And
He's
that's
so-
why, and that's why he's known to be one of the most versatile actors, because he doesn't only, he's not only able to act in one genre of movie, he can do a variety of different genres.
Oh, wow. That's
Yeah.
so good. Wow. I really like Ranbir Kapoor. Thank
Yeah.
you for bringing his songs.
Yes. And Sam, you wanted to talk a little bit about Ramadan, which is the holy month.
It's Ramadan is going on. So during the blessed month of Ramadan, I would like to send heartfelt wishes to everyone who are fasting. And your dedication and patience and spiritual, it's truly, I think Moin is calling me.
Okay.
Can I take his call?
Yes.
Okay. So you talk a little bit, Zainab, I'll take his call.
Okay, sure. Maybe he's trying to come to the station.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so in that case, let's move to the second song. That's what we'll do. So we'll play the second song now.
कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी ना धूप चुने ना छाँव कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी किसी ठोर टिके ना पाँव कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी ना धूप चुने ना छाँव कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी किसी ठोर टिके ना पाँव बन लिया अपना पैगंबर कर लिया तू सात समंदर फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रहेगा
कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा मान जा आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा मान जा कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया टूटी चार पाई वही ठंडी पुरवाई रत्ता देखे दूधों की मलाई वही मिट्टी की सुराही रास्ता देखे
कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी लब नामक रमे ना मिसरी कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी तुझे प्रीत पुरानी मिसरी मस्त मौला मस्त कलंदर तू हवा का एक बवंडर बुझ के यूं अंदर ही अंदर क्यों रहेगा
रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा मान जा आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा मान जा कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया
You're listening to Band Baja Radio live on Chin FM 100.7. So this song was where Ranbir Kapoor played the character of Bunny. So Bunny was a usually adventurous, carefree character in the film, and this song shows a more effective and emotional side of him. And this song came at a time in the movie, in the moment of the story, and it really captures the themes of friendship, love, and growing up. And this song remains one of the most loved songs of the film and from Ranbir Kapoor's earlier career movies. Before Sam took off to go and get Moeen from downstairs so he can also join us, she was talking about Ramadan, and I just wanted to pick up where she left off. So Ramadan is a holy month observed by Muslims around the world. It's a time for fasting from sunrise to sunset, reflection, prayer, and acts of charity. But beyond abstaining from food and drink, Ramadan is about spiritual growth, self-discipline, and deepening one's connection with God. Families and communities come together for iftar, the evening meal that breaks the fast, and for special nightly prayers. It's a month of compassion, gratitude, and mindfulness, and one of the most sacred times in the Islamic character. So for all of our listeners who celebrate Ramadan and are keeping fast, Ramadan Mubarak to all of you from Band Baja Radio. With that, we would also like to talk about our client, ITN, who wants to bring Ramadan moments very special for all of our listeners. So with ITN, you get to enjoy Minar Basmati rice. You get to enjoy their desi spices that make every dish into a masterpiece. And you also get to enjoy their delicious roux afza, without which Ramadan is never complete.
Oh, yes, of course, Zainab.
So if you want to find ITN products, go to your local grocery store near you, and you'll be able to taste their delicious products.
Yes.
And we now have Sam back.
Yes.
Are you on air?
Yes, I am on the air.
Okay,
Of course.
and we
I
have
had to
Moeen.
go down. I had to go down to open the door for him.
That's okay. It happens.
So
I got
I'm
to
sorry
play.
while
I got
I
to play some extra songs. So.
But while I was talking about Ramadan, I had to interrupt. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
And Zainab, I know you were not happy, but I'm sorry about that.
That's okay.
I shouldn't be interrupting.
No, that's okay. Let's talk about our clients a little more. I started with ITN already. Why don't you tell us a little bit about some of our other clients, Sam?
Yes,
now that you're
of
back.
course. And we are live on Chin Radio, Zainab, and Zay is here. First, I want to ask you, Zay, a couple of questions regarding immigration.
Yeah.
So, as you are an excellent immigration lawyer, very experienced and very talented, we are all aware of that, and very busy too. I know you take out your precious time to come to here, so I want to thank you. I also want to thank Darshan Bhai for collaborating with Band Baja and Geetmala, and special thanks to Isaac.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Isaac, for being so cooperative with us. So
you had some questions for me?
Yes, I have some lovely questions
Go
for
ahead.
you. So I've heard there are some changes regarding the immigration, and I saw you even on the Global News,
Thank you.
which you were talking about to bring up some talent like doctors and skilled workers.
Yes.
So I wanted to know something about that.
So currently we are facing a labor market shortage in some of our key industries, which include healthcare. They include STEM occupations, which are like IT positions, engineering, science-type positions.
Okay.
We are also facing a labor market shortage in our education sector, we are also facing a labor market shortage when it comes to senior manager or more managerial positions.
Okay.
So for that reason, Canadian Immigration has come out with some targeted draws and categories that will assist with trying to combat that labor market shortage.
Okay.
And so what Canadian Immigration projects is that we're going to have a severe labor market shortage in the healthcare industry, especially in the coming 5-10 years plus.
Yes.
So to fulfill that labor market shortage, we look for foreign talent to come to Canada.
Wow.
So, our firm specializes in all areas of immigration. One of them is economic,
which you specialize in.
Yes, which is exactly what this program is all about, and the new announcement. So if you have been following sort of the news on immigration, then you can see that the recent draws that have happened under the economic program with these targeted draws, so whether it's healthcare, whether it's senior managers that just happened, whether it's individuals that are speak the second language, so speak French, the score required to come to Canada and immigrate is far lower and less competitive than if you were just in the general draw. So if you weren't in one of those occupations, or, for example, if you don't have French proficiency. So anyway, we work with the client to kind of understand their profile and then strategize how to best, include them into,
according to
whatever,
obviously
as much as we can do to kind of give them a pathway. Sometimes it's a long-term goal based on their profile. But of course, we will take the time to meet with you and strategize.
So they have to have a consultation with you.
Yeah, and sometimes it's not economic. Like our firm also does non-economic immigration matters. So if, sometimes economic can be challenging, so then we look for other opportunities or other options that might work for you as well. So
okay, but
we do full service.
Yeah. It's a full, so you also do visitors visa?
Yeah, if you're looking for temporary entry, so study permit, work permits, student visas, yes, we do those
PR,
as well.
permanent residence?
Yeah, that's the point space.
And if anybody's visa is previously refused, do you try and...
Yeah, of course. So it happens often. If you have a previous visa refusal, then we have avenues to either reapply, to, depending on the case, we can try to go to federal court, do a judicial review. There's many, options depending on your situation.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, you are too talented and good, and you're from Harvard. Like Moeen asked you a question, what's the difference between going to Harvard and, what's the edge?
The way that they teach, I would say, the practicality that they bring out in the students. Yeah,
more on the practical side.
So on the topic of healthcare, Sam, you have some great information on medical school.
So for any kind of immigration, you can contact Sam at 647-588-7198. किसी ने मुझे फोन करके कहा आप इतनी तेज नंबर पढ़ देती है, तो I will slow down. 647-588-7198. You can contact me regarding any immigration. और अगर आपको अपने बच्चों को डॉक्टर बनाना है, तो हर पेरेंट्स का ख्वाहिश होता है. अभी रिसेंटली मेरे एक जानने वाले, he is just like my son, वो रिसेंटली अभी गए हैं मेडिकल स्कूल में, and he's doing so great and enjoying so much. So I'm so grateful and thankful to Allah for, that he'll be a doctor soon.
Yes.
So to pursue a doctor career is like a amazing job, even for the parents.
Absolutely.
Of course. So in this school, you don't have to do MCAT.
If you're Canadian,
If you are Canadian, then you don't require an MCAT. And if you have done undergraduate in science subjects, then you qualify in 2 years.
Correct. And they prefer Canadians. You get a scholarship.
Scholarship, yes.
Yeah, that's a big thing.
That's a very big thing. So if you need any kind of help regarding sending your kids to medicine and get them a doctor's degree, you contact Sam at 647-588-7198. 647-588-7198. So now say,
should we move to the third song?
Yes.
Okay. So the next
Before
song,
Moeen comes.
Yeah, well, he gave me the okay to play some more songs of mine. So the next song, it's called Subhanallah.
Subhanallah.
And it's very popular. And in this movie, Ranbir has played a very free-spirited person, and it's one of his most loved characters. So this song captures a quiet romantic moment between the characters. What I wanted to also say about Ranbir is that what really sets him apart is his natural screen presence.
Yes, he's a very natural actor.
Yeah, he has an effortless charm combined with a remarkable range. So he can definitely make you cry, he can make you laugh, and he makes you feel every emotion in between, often within even the same movie. So he's definitely admired for his dedication to the craft. He really takes on the character and takes time to learn it and embodies the character fully. So he's known to immerse himself completely into the characters, and he spends months actually preparing physically and emotionally, psychologically for the role. And he will take on any challenge. So whether that's learning new skills, changing his appearance, or understanding the character's psychology, like he is ready to get to work. So anyway, let's play the next song.
दिन कभी जो खुद को तराशे मेरी नजर से तू जरा हाय रे आंखों से तेरी क्या क्या छुपा है तुझको दिखाऊं मैं जरा हाय रे एक अनकही सी दास्तां दास्तां कहने लगेगा आईना सुभान हुआ सुभान अल्लाह जो हो रहा है पहली दफा है वल्लाह ऐसा हुआ
You're listening to Band Baja Radio live on Chin FM 100.7 with Zay and
Sam.
मेरी खामोशी से बातें चुन लेना उनकी डोरी से तारीफें बुन लेना हाँ मेरी खामोशी से बातें चुन लेना उनकी डोरी से तारीफें बुन लेना
कल नहीं थी जो आज लगती हूँ तारीफ मेरी है खामखा तोहफा है तेरा मेरी अदा
ये तो दिलों का वास्ता वास्ता खुल के बताया जाए ना सुभान अल्लाह जो हो रहा है पहली दफा है
Welcome back to Band Baja Radio. You're here with Zay and
Sam, and you're live on Chin Radio. यहाँ का नंबर है 870-1007 416-870-1007.
Sam, let's move to talk about our clients now.
Yes, let's talk about JSS Wealth.
Okay.
इनका वो है स्लोगन है आप एक सपना देखें हम उसको घर बना देंगे.
Beautiful.
Yes, a lot of unbelievable advantages हैं.
Yeah.
इनकी 95% funding है for government.
Great.
And you only pay down 5%.
Wonderful.
And 50 years of amortization है.
Better than what I have.
Yeah.
So I will consider contacting them myself.
Yes, of course. And cash flow immediately available if you want to rent it.
Great.
You can buy one condo, two condo.
Beautiful.
I think they have townhouses
Sam,
as well.
we should call them.
Yes, of course. I want to call them too. और credit score अच्छा हो या बुरा हो.
Oh, perfect. That's a big issue. People's credit score is a big issue. It's a barrier to get approved for many things in this country.
Yes.
Because we run on credit, we run on debt, we run on loans. And then it's a vicious cycle. You know, you can't get out of it. And you just keep going down that rabbit hole.
And
it's very
nothing,
difficult.
you own nothing.
Exactly.
Yeah, the car is on lease. The car.
This is a very real problem for a lot of people. And it stops them from, you know, making more wealth, growing their abilities, you know, homes, so many things.
Yes, of course.
So that's a great program.
So that's a great program. So you can contact Moin regarding this at 416-839-6040. 416-839-6040.
Let's talk about Taza Taste.
Oh yes, Zainab, I love their food.
Yeah.
I swear, Ramzan में तो मैं तो मोइन को कहती हूँ मुझे खाना ला दो वहाँ से. ताज़ा टेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट, इनकी 2 लोकेशन है, ब्रैम्पटन में और मिसिसागा में. ये रात के 1-1:30 बजे तक खुले रहते हैं और मजे के इनके खाने, निहारी, बिरयानी, चिकन टिक्के, बारबेक्यू, anything you name.
And I heard if you say Ban Baja's name, you get something for free.
Yeah, you get 2 naan free.
Perfect. I love free.
Anything free is good. So उनका टेलीफोन नंबर है 905-792-8866. 905-792-8866. अब बात कर लेते हैं
Tejpal Sidhu.
तेजपाल सिद्धू, मोइन के फेवरेट रियल्टर हैं. ये बहुत कमर्शियल और रेसिडेंशियल भी करते हैं.
And he also does mortgage for commercial, right?
Yeah, he
that's
does
a big
for
deal.
commercial as well as home. उनका फोन नंबर है 416-627-9313. 416-627-9313. अब बात कर लेते हैं अतिया फ्रेश फार्म की.
Yes.
अतिया फ्रेश फार्म ग्रोसरी स्टोर है, biggest grocery store with great prices and good quality and good quantity for both Indian and Pakistani, और high level of halal food भी यहाँ पे available है. तो आप प्लीज जाइए अब ग्रोसरी स्टोर में. और ITN का आपने बता दिया था ज़ैनब?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so ITN is trusted for over 35 years. Okay, अपने करीबी स्टोर में जाइए, उनके सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे आपको. और अगर आपको रमजान स्पेशल बनाना है तो उनका रूह अफ़ज़ा जरूर पीजिए.
Yes.
रूह अफ़ज़ा makes an iconic, it's perfect for Ramadan. और अशोका पराठास भी, don't forget, they are delicious for सहरी.
Yes.
और उनके बनास्पति राइस मीनार के long grain,
Beautiful.
perfect for any dishes, and desi spices are so tasty. You can make your table a masterpiece.
Perfect. And I also wanted to mention, if you're looking for residential mortgage assistance, then we have our very own Moin Jamal, who can definitely help you. Low credit score, no credit, difficulty getting approved, like a lot of us in this country that struggle with credit.
Yes, of course.
Moin comes up with very creative ideas for his clients to help them get approved for mortgages. So you can call him 416-839-6040. And on the creative side of Mr. Moin, not just the practical side sometimes, but he's also a creative person.
Yeah.
So if you want to make your brand into a memorable masterpiece, then you should definitely contact Moin as well. 416-839-6040.
Yes, and 1,000 jingles.
He's done 1,000 jingles, and you can hear it even on our show, the level of talent that he has.
Yes, and he also writes the copy, he sings himself, he composes himself. Isaac knows about it.
With that, I want to move to our 4th song.
Yes.
And just talk a little bit more about Ranbir. So he really represents a perfect blend of legacy and modernity in Bollywood. So we know that he comes from the traditional Kapoor family that has a long-standing history in Bollywood, but he's really made a mark of his own. He's a star who honors his roots but continues to push boundaries. He takes risks with unconventional roles while still winning the hearts of audiences across generations. So whether it's his emotional performances, his versatility, or his magnetic charm, Ranbir remains one of the most defining actors of his generation.
I love Ranbir and his movies.
So with that, I want to move to the next song. It's a beautiful reminder of the romantic roles that helped establish Ranbir as one of Bollywood's leading stars.
Let's go to the 4th song.
सजदे में यूं ही झुकता हूँ, तुम पे ही आके रुकता हूँ. क्या ये सबको होता है?
हमको क्या लेना है सबसे, तुमसे ही सब बातें अब से बन गए हो तुम मेरी दुआ.
सजदे में यूं ही झुकता हूँ, तुम पे ही आके रुकता हूँ. क्या ये सबको होता है?
हमको क्या लेना है सबसे, तुमसे
You're listening live to Band Baja Radio on Chin FM 100.7. Our phone number here is 416-870-1007 if you wish to call in and chat with us.
Yes, of course.
सीखी तुमसे ही ये राहें सीखी तुम पे मर के मैं तो जी गया खुदा जाने के मैं फिदा हूँ खुदा जाने मैं मिट गया खुदा जाने ये क्यों हुआ है कि बन गए तुम मेरे खुदा
Welcome back to Band Baja Radio. This is Zay with
Sam. Our Moin will be joining us very soon. So Zay, I wanted to, now you are here, and sometime we get the opportunity to talk to you about, your immigration. You're expert in that, and you're a trusted and experienced immigration lawyer with a very strong success record. So if any kind of people want visitor visa or study permits, work permits or permanent residency, they can contact me at 647-588-719. But I would like you to talk a little bit about the program which the government has just announced, and you were on the global news. Can you?
Oh, yeah, sure, Sam. That sounds good. So what we have seen recently is that a lot of mostly students that came to Canada and they thought that they had a pathway to permanent residency are really struggling right now to make that transition. What Canadian immigration is doing is they are really targeting some of the labor market shortages that we anticipate not only now but also in the future. We're talking like 10, 15 years down the road.
You remember I did a research on
labor market shortage. I remember. So it's circling back to that.
Yeah.
It's on the same note. So healthcare, teachers, they want to increase nurses, they want to increase the French-speaking population as well. They also want to target senior managers. Anyway, there's a bunch of new categories that they've opened up to transition to PR. But, that's not the only way to transition to permanent residency. That's why it's always best to meet with the client and talk to them and customize their options and be creative with their situation where we can. So if maybe economic doesn't work for you, then we can tailor, we can talk about other options that are non-economic but still grant an avenue to permanent residency. But what I would say is that the most traditional way to transition to PR is the economic routes, right? And those are really the hot topics in the news and in the media right now that you're probably hearing.
You do with economic
that's my specialization. But that's kind of the buzz right now in the news is all the draws that have been happening, the lower scores for the targeted occupations for the French-speaking folks. So that's really what you're hearing in the news right now. But along with that, there's many other avenues to come to Canada, whether it's temporary, student, worker, what have you. So depending on your situation, what your intention, what your end goal is, we can kind of carve out a pathway.
Oh, wow. Very, very good. And also, if anybody wants to get into, if you want to contact Zay, you have to contact me first.
Yes.
And Zay will consult you regarding your immigration, or if you have any questions at 647-588-7198. 647-588-7198.
We're going to turn it over to Mr. Jamal now, who is ready.
Jamal, you're back.
We missed you.
Thank you so much, all of you. And I can say, before I start that, I must say that I was listening to the song, and I felt that there's a thing there. Either you have it or you don't.
Yeah, Zay has it.
And both of you have got it, man.
Thank you.
Zay has it.
I know
so
it.
Do you,
I'm learning.
I know a limited about radio. And the moment I heard you speaking,
thank you.
Either you have it or you don't.
That's very kind of you.
And I hope you don't wade away into something like lawyers or something. But if you do this, I'm telling you, either you have it or you don't, and you have it.
That's very nice
Honestly,
of you.
both of you.
What do you think, Isaac?
And Sam also.
Yeah, Isaac, we got a thumbs up.
You know it 1 second when you know
Thank
that.
you, that's very
लेकिन
nice of
अब फिर anyway we start our program ही से हर जर्रा चमकता है अनवार इलाही से.
Yes, we missed that.
हर सांस ये कहती है हम हैं तो खुदा भी है. इब्तिदा उसी के जिक्र, उसी की याद, उसी की बात, उसी की तारीफ से जो रह जाने वाला है हम सब चले जाने वाले हैं. जो मेज़बान हैं हम मेहमान हैं, उन लोगों को पसंद करता है जो छोटों से प्यार करते हैं, बड़ों की इज्जत करते हैं, दूसरों के साथ बेहतरीन ताल्लुकात करते हैं. जो ऐसा करता है उनको इतना दे देता है कि रखने की जगह.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही.
ये सब तुम्हारा करम है आका के बात अब तक बनी हुई, उसी के करम से, उसी की मदद से बातें चलती रहती हैं.
Absolutely.
And I have to say about Zay and Sam, both of you, the way you've done it, out of the world.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you a little
We
technique.
missed you though.
Big shoes to fill.
Let me tell you a little technique. Huh?
Big shoes to fill. You are
No,
legendary.
Let
so
me tell you a
it's hard
little.
for us to
I'll tell
follow
you a
that
little,
act.
I'll tell you a little technique. When I was coming here, I wanted to go something for a mortgage somewhere. It was very important. I couldn't come back.
Yeah.
So I was waiting there, and I wanted. Suddenly, I realized to be much to just to sit there. I'll
Yeah.
stay there and to hear you talk more.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Well,
much.
I got to play 4 songs today, so
Yeah. No, but the way you were talking and speaking,
Yeah.
I can tell you it's out of the world. And
Thank
I know,
you.
and I know a little bit about radio. So the moment I hear it, I know you got it.
that's
man.
really
Thank
nice
you,
of you.
thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
And this is the truth, and everyone knows about that. लेकिन अब एक गाने की तरफ बात करते हैं जिस चीज की मेहदी हसन साहब की जो आवाज है. कहते हैं जिस जमाने में रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं होती थी, people didn't even know रिकॉर्डिंग कैसे की जाती है, तो कहते हैं years away, 100 years away, ऐसे सिंगर्स होते थे जो सारी जिंदगी, सारे गामा पा, पूरी जिंदगी भर पूरी यही करते रहते म्यूजिक के बारे में. तो उनकी जो आवाज होती थी वो कहते हैं कोई इंसान उसकी तरह कर नहीं सकता जैसे वो गाते थे. लेकिन हम लोगों के दौर पे जब वो रिकॉर्ड हो सकता है तो वो मेहदी हसन साहब सिर्फ हैं. इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है, चाहे इंडिया में हो चाहे पाकिस्तान के हो, जितने गजल सिंगर्स हों या फिल्म सॉन्गर्स भी हों, तो मेहदी हसन साहब का लेवल कोई हो ही नहीं सकता है. जितने म्यूजिक को जानते हैं वो समझते हैं उनका आवाज, उनका टोन, उनका टेक्सचर, उनका परफेक्शनिज्म किसी में हो नहीं सकती थी. भीमप्लासी एक राग भी होती है. भीमप्लासी इज अ यादगार, ऐसी म्यूजिक वाली चीज, जादू वाली चीज होती है. भीमप्लासी का जब भी गाना होता है वो यादगार होकर चला जाता है. और भीमप्लासी की सबसे बड़ी बात ये होती है, रोमांटिक तो होता है, एक सॉफ्टनेस भी उसके अंदर होती है, उसके अंदर एक जाने का वर्ड भी होता है, उसके अंदर सैडनेस भी, इसके अंदर थोड़ी सी सैडनेस होती है. तो मेहदी हसन साहब की एक गाने जिसका बात करते हैं, जिसके बारे में भीमप्लासी कहते हैं, सा गा म पानी सा नी पा गा म प म ग रे सा. एक बार भीमप्लासी का रागी कुछ है, सा गा म पानी सा नी पा गा म प म ग रे सा. हमारी सांसों, क्या टोन है मेरी साहब, हमारी सांसों में आज तक वो है ना की खुशबू महक रही है. व्हाट अ कॉम्पोजिशन देखें.
Wow.
हमारी सांसों. पाकिस्तानी भी जो गाने बात ऐसे थे जो ऐसे लेवल के थे, स्पेशली मेहदी हसन साहब के, ऐसे गाने बन नहीं सकते हैं. जादू है, मैजिक है. हमारी सांसों में आज तक वो है ना की खुशबू महक रही है. लबों में नगमे मचल रही है, नजर में मस्ती छलक रही है. टेलीफोन देखो, टेक्सचर जो होता है, एक एक वर्ड ABCD, किस तरह से अल्फाज को क्लियरली बोलना, ये मेहदी हसन साहब की आवाज है. हमारी सांसों में आज तक वो है ना कि खुशबू महक रही है. लबों में नगरे मचल रहे हैं, नजर से मस्ती छलक रही है. मेहदी हसन साहब की आवाज है. इस गाने को एंजॉय करें, और इसके भीमप्लासी है, इस गाने को एंजॉय करें. सॉन्ग 10 out of 10 ऑन बैंड बाजा रेडियो.
हमारी सांसों में आज तक वो हिना की खुशबू महक रही है. हमारी सांसों में आज तक वो हिना की खुशबू महक रही है. लबों पे नगमे मचल रहे हैं, लबों पे नगमे मचल रहे हैं, नजर से मस्ती छलक रही है, हमारी सांसों में आज तक वो हिना की खुशबू महक रही है।
ये हिमप्लासी है और इसके साथ साथ सितार और तबला और फ्लूट का मजा लीजिए और सबसे बड़ी मेहदी हसन साहब की जादू को एंजॉय करें।
कभी जो थे प्यार की जमानत, वो हाथ हैं गैर की अमानत, कभी जो थे प्यार की जमानत, वो हाथ हैं गैर की अमानत, जो कसमें खाते थे चाहतों की, उन्हीं की नीयत बहक रही है, जो कसमें खाते थे चाहतों की, उन्हीं की नीयत बहक रही है, हमारी सांसों में आज तक वो हिना की खुशबू महक रही है। किसी से कोई गिला नहीं है, नसीब ही में वफा नहीं है, किसी से कोई गिला नहीं है, नसीब ही में वफा नहीं है, जहाँ कहीं था हिना को खिलना, हिना वहीं पे महक रही है, जहाँ कहीं था हिना को खिलना, हिना वहीं पे महक रही है, हमारी सांसों में आज तक वो हिना की खुशबू महक रही है। जिनकी खातिर गजल कही थी, वो जिनकी खातिर लिखे थे नगमे, वो जिनकी खातिर गजल कही थी, वो जिनकी खातिर लिखे थे नगमे, उन्हीं के आगे सवाल बन के गजल की झांझर छनक रही है, उन्हीं के आगे सवाल बन के गजल की झांझर छनक रही है, हमारी सांसों में आज तक वो हिना की खुशबू महक रही है।
आप सुन रहे हैं बैंड पार्टी रेडियो। आज का प्रोग्राम पसंद कर रहे हैं मोइन जमाल एंड
Zay and
Sam.
और मेहदी हसन साहब की आवाज थी सितार का मजा देखिए और भीमप्लासी है कि सा गाम पानी सा गाम पानी सा नी पा गाम पम गरे सा, ये माहौल ही इसके अंदर होता है। हमारी सांसों में आज तक वो, ये काफी मेहदी हसन साहब के लिए। That's 2 words are enough. You don't need more than that. There was a time when you could not record anything, like 200 years ago. Then there were singers who all their life, from children to their life, they would just learn how to say Sare Gama Pa Do Re Mi Fa, whatever it is. Sare Gama Pa Da Ni Sa Sa Ni Da. They used to do that all their life. And in our time, we could not record it at that time. Mehdi Hasan is the only one that you can listen and say it was that time 200 years ago. someone could do music all his entire life and sing that level. That's Mehdi Hasan. And he's from Pakistan, and I know him very well. And he passed away, and his son is a musician also. He's a great friend of
Beautiful.
mine. So ऐसे करते हैं अपने कुछ प्रोडक्ट की बातें करते हैं. We'll talk about Taza Taste की बात कर लेते हैं.
जी.
Taza Taste has got 3 locations. 2 of them Brampton में, 1 of them in Mississauga.
बिल्कुल.
And आपको मजेदार खाने, even till 2 in the night, you can go and get the most unbelievable food there. इसके अलावा you can get 2 naan.
Yes.
2 naan.
With Band Baja.
Yeah. In advertising, the biggest thing is free.
Yes.
Free.
Free is
I
the biggest
agree.
word in history.
Yeah.
Like when you say Coke is it, or anything you can say like that. But the thing is, if you have something which is free, that's always successful. ठीक है?
Agreed.
Yeah, so
So
Taza Taste का नंबर है 905-792-8866. 905-792-8866.
And there's
yeah.
and a lot of other मजेदार चीजें उसके
उनके
पास
तो
में.
बहुत मजे के खाने हैं.
Yeah.
मोइन मुझे लाके तो दो किसी दिन प्लीज.
बिल्कुल लेके आएंगे उसके साथ अपने
हमारे
products
लिए
हैं.
दूर है ना बहुत.
और अपने प्रोडक्ट्स की बातें करते हैं जिनकी वजह से हम ये प्रोग्राम को पेश
आपसे
करते हैं.
JSS की बात कर लें.
या ओके.
JSS जो है वो कहते हैं आप एक सपना देखें हम उसे घर बना देंगे.
बिल्कुल.
और एज यू नो 95% फंड गवर्नमेंट फंडिंग है, 5% सिर्फ आपको डाउन करना है. 50 years ऑफ अमोर्टाइजेशन है और कैश फ्लो आपको इमीडिएटली मिल सकता है. दे कैन रेंट इट आउट. क्रेडिट स्कोर चाहे आपका जितना भी बुढ़ाओ आप घर ओन कर सकते हैं. तो आप मोइन को कांटेक्ट करें 416-839-6040. अब आपके बात कर लेते ITN की. ITN रमजान में मेक एवरी मोमेंट स्पेशल.
ओके.
और आपने करीबी स्टोर पे जाके आप अपना खरीद सकते हैं इनके प्रोडक्ट एट एवरी ऑफ एनी स्टोर नियर योर हाउस. उनके मीनार बासमती राइस जो हैं वो लॉन्ग ग्रेन है, परफेक्ट फॉर एवरी काइंड ऑफ डिशेस. पुलाव बनाए, जर्दा बनाए, बिरयानी बनाए, कुछ भी बनाए. और देसी स्पाइसेस जो है, ओ माय गॉड मुंह में पानी आ रहा है मेरा.
Sam, why don't you talk about the medical school?
हाँ भी बिल्कुल. और अगर आपको कुछ भी चाहिए ITN के प्रोडक्ट को तो अपने करीबी स्टोर पे जाइए.
Gorgeous.
और आप ये करें. अभी आपसे ज़ैनब थोड़ा सा आपसे पूछना है दोबारा से.
मेडिकल स्कूल के बारे में
हाँ,
बताएं ना,
मेडिकल
Sam.
स्कूल के बारे में तो ये मैंने बता रही हूँ ना कि मेडिकल स्कूल में अभी मेरे एक जानने वाले गए हैं. ही इज डूइंग सो वेल एंड ही इज वेरी हैप्पी इन देयर. एंड अगर आपके बच्चों को आपने डॉक्टर बनवाना है, जो कि हर माँ बाप का सपना होता है कि लॉयर बने या डॉक्टर बने, तो अगर आपको डॉक्टर बनाना है तो प्लीज आप मुझे कांटेक्ट करें 647-588-7198. जरा सा बताएं वो क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज हैं वहाँ पे कैनेडियन
Yeah, so they prefer Canadian students. You get a guaranteed scholarship as a Canadian. If you have not done your MCAT, that's fine for Canadian students as well. There's a big population of Canadians there too, so you definitely have opportunity to connect with your fellow North Americans. But there's people from around the world that go to the there's people from around the world that go to the medical school though. Scholarship for Canadians, they prefer that.
MCAT not required.
Right, MCAT is not required.
For Canadians.
Yes, for Canadians. If you have done your undergrad in sciences, then it's a 2-year fast track program.
Wow, and you're a doctor.
Correct. And if you have not done sciences, then there's also a 2-year program to get that part done for you. So either way, you're in a good position.
Very, very good position. So इस सिलसिले में आप किसको कांटेक्ट करें?
Sam.
एंड नंबर क्या है सैम का?
647-588-7198.
बिल्कुल. और अगर आपको किसी किस्म की इमिग्रेशन की चीज़ें मसले हैं या इमिग्रेशन करवानी है अपने रिलेटिव्स की, अपनी विजिटर वीज़ा चाहिए, स्टडी परमिट चाहिए, तो जे इज ब्रिज टू कनाडा. इस सिलसिले में भी आप मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं 647-588-7198.
And we'll get some jingle from our clients and we'll come back to the next song.
Thank you.
सच्चा रियल्टर, एक अच्छा रियल्टर किस्मत से ही मिलता है. तेजपाल सिद्धू, यस तेजपाल सिद्धू, तेजपाल सिद्धू. हर इलाके में कॉन्डो हो या घर, रियल्टर तेजपाल सिद्धू will get you at the best price and the best deal. Excellent on both residential and commercial. Sacha Realtor, Acha Realtor, Tejpal Sidhu, Sutton Group Realty Experts Inc. 416-627-9313. आटा चावल दाल मसाले आपके पसंद के सारे ब्रांड्स और सबसे सस्ते दाम at Athiya's Fresh Farm.
It's the big one. Athiya's Fresh Farm. 22,000 square feet grocery store with a 5,000 square feet hand-slaughtered halal meat section. आपकी पसंदीदा groceries और ताजा फल और सब्जियों से लदा भरा हुआ.
ताजा ताजा फल, कितनी ताजा ताजा सब्जी और सबसे सस्ते दाम at Athiya's Fresh Farm.
On Kennedy between Elsmere and Lawrence. 416-831-7822.
A.K. Albert Kamran. A.K. Albert Kamran. सबसे सस्ते सबसे बेहतर कॉन्डो ले या घर ले. A.K. Albert Kamran.
Call AK Albert Kamran, real estate broker of Century 21's People's Choice Realty Inc. 416-602-3310. happyhomewithalbert.c21.ca. आप सुन रहे हैं बहन पास रेडियो. आज का प्रोग्राम सुन कर रहे हैं मोहित जमाल एंड
Zay and
Sam.
जैसे बात कर रहे हैं अपने प्रोग्राम की बात कर रहे हैं कि दिन ब दिन बैंड बाजा चलता चला जा रहा है. इतने ज्यादा लोग आते चले जा रहे हैं. सोशल मीडिया के साथ साथ देखो रेडियो इज नंबर वन. देयर इज नथिंग लाइक रेडियो. ओके, इफ यू लुक एट रेडियो, people can see it, people can talk to you, people can meet them.
It's a very friendly media.
Social media is great, but they come and go away.
But we are also live. We also are in social
I know,
media.
But I'm
as
just telling you, radio, if you look at radio is connected to people. You can hear the sound. They can hear them walking. They can see you. And like Nathoni clients can see them when you go to the house and see them. You go to a place, center, just say you go to Taza, for example. They know you.
Yes.
And after a while, they become part of your deal. You know?
Of course.
So radio is also a very popular thing. And at the same time, we also do social media with that. लेकिन साथ साथ अब अगले गाने की तरफ चलेंगे. तलत महमूद साहब की बात करते हैं. तलत महमूद की जो अंदाज से गजल टाइप के सिंगर थे वो लखनवी थे कंप्लीट. मैं मुस्लिम, वो हिंदू, वो सिख, वो ईसाई, यार छोड़ो वो सियासत है, चलो इश्क करें. खुदा आबाद दे लखनऊ को, फिर भी गनीमत है, नजर कोई न कोई अच्छी सूरत आ ही जाती है. ये बात थी.
सूरत कैसी
तलत महमूद की जो आवाज था, जो एक स्टाइल था उनका बोलने का, एक दौर था. ही वाज टू बी नंबर 1 इन सिंगर. इवन बेटर देन रफी साहब से पहले जो सबसे बड़े थे वो तलत महमूद थे. नदीम साहब, जितने भी हमारे एक्टर्स थे, दिलीप कुमार थे. दिलीप कुमार में गाने जो थे वो पहले तलत महमूद साहब के होते थे. सॉफ्टली आवाज थी उनकी बोलने. एस.डी. बर्मन का एक म्यूजिक है और दादरा है. दादरा मीन्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 धा दिन्ना धा दिन्ना धा दिन्ना. दादरा इज यू हैव टू लर्न दादरा. दादरा यू कांट हैव इट. ये तो 1 2 3 1 2 3 धा दिन्ना. जलते हैं जिसके लिए, जलते हैं जिसके लिए, तेरी आंखों के लिए. एस.डी. बर्मन का म्यूजिक है, दादरा है, सितार बेस्ड एंड फ्लूट का मजा लीजिए. और एस.डी. बर्मन समझते थे अच्छी तरह कि तलत महमूद की जो आवाज है वो एक टेक्सचर है, वो टोन है, और उनके अंदर सॉफ्ट गजल स्टाइल की सिंगिंग थी उसके अंदर. इस गाने को एंजॉय करें. दिस सॉन्ग इज 10 out of 10 ऑन बैंड बाजा रेडियो.
जलते हैं जिसके लिए, तेरी आंखों के दिए, ढूंढ लाया हूँ वही गीत में तेरे लिए. जलते हैं जिसके लिए, जलते हैं जिसके लिए, तेरी आंखों के दिए, ढूंढ लाया हूँ वही गीत में तेरे लिए. जलते हैं जिसके लिए. दर्द बन के जो मेरे दिल में रहा, ढल न सका, जादू बन के तेरी आंखों में रुका, चल न सका. दर्द बन के जो बन के तेरी आँखों में रुका, चल न सका। आज लाया हूँ वही गीत मैं तेरे लिए, जलते हैं जिसके लिए। दिल में रख लेना इसे हाथों से ये।
जैसे तलत महमूद साहब की आवाज, देखो कितने लोग काम कर रहे थे तलत महमूद के लिए। यू रिमेंबर जब भी रेडियो अभी हमने स्टार्ट किया, तलत महमूद साहब की आवाज मुझे ऐसी ईयर्स के बाद भी तलत महमूद को लोग आज तक याद करते हैं। एक खूबसूरत गाने की तरफ चल रहे हैं, जिसकी बात अब ये कह रहे हैं कि ये भी हमारी एक बहुत ही बड़े सलील चौधरी साहब, ही इज ऑल्सो कि पूरी जानते थे किस तरह गानों को बनाना चाहिए, गाने किस तरीके से बनाए जाते हैं। और एक गाना जो था, बाय द वे बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट ये सॉन्ग इसलिए थी कि राजेश खन्ना और अमिताभ बच्चन का पहले सॉन्ग दोनों के थे, बोथ ऑफ देम टुगेदर। लेकिन वो बहुत लकी थी कि उनका गाने जो थे वो यादगारी थे, वो सलील चौधरी साहब की आवाज थी। तो हमारा एंड में तो मुसाफिर भी हम भी, मुसाफिर भी तुम भी, किसी मोड़ पर फिर मुलाकात होगी। और बहुत खूबसूरत गाए है, कहीं दूर जब,
नाइस सॉन्ग,
व्हाट अ कॉम्पोजिशन है। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। इस गाने को एंजॉय करें और एवरी सॉन्ग स्टैंड आउट ऑन बैंड पाउडर रेडियो। और कल फिर आप आइए हमारे साथ, बैंड पाउडर सुनिए और मजेदार गाने आपके साथ लाइए।
बिल्कुल। थैंक यू सो मच Jay for taking out time.
Thank you for having me.
And Isaac, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Okay, thank you.
We love you, Isaac. Thank you.
कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए।